Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log into your AliExpress affiliate account using your Facebook account. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress portal. In the portal, you can see the Start Earning button. Tap on it. You will be prompted to the login page. Now, in order to log in with Facebook, here you can see the option Continue with Facebook. You need to choose that option. For this process, you need to be logged into your Facebook on this browser. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook login credentials as well. So if you haven't connected your Facebook in this browser, you can enter your Facebook email or phone number and your password and tap on Login. And now you will be logged into your AliExpress affiliate account using your Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.